this video, we will show you how to enable PID View on Task Manager in Windows 11. PID View sometimes useful to make troubleshooting or to monitoring the services or applications. To enable the PID View, first you need to open your Task Manager. For example, just find Task Manager here and just click open. After that, you can make the screen to maximize and right click on the table here. Okay, make sure you right click on here, because if you right click in here, it doesn't work. Right click and enable the PID view. You can see this is the PID view. Okay, the PID is related to this number, and if you want, you can just make sure to sorting from the lower into the higher. Okay, also you can make the from higher to the lower like this. And that's all tutorial how you can see the PID view on Task Manager if you're using Windows 11. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.